Hey, what's up? Here, Ivan. Gonna make this video on how to sell on Amazon, selling books, DVDs, CDs, a lot of stuff, but mostly it's books. I don't know if you guys knew about Amazon, but Amazon started as they start selling books, so that's why that's how they become more powerful. That's what I heard. They started selling books. So Amazon, if you want to sell books on Amazon, it's awesome. You get a lot of profit from Amazon. You want to sell it on eBay, it's gonna cost you a little bit. It's not even worth it on eBay because it's all about on eBay. It's all auctions and like Craigslist, selling items. But mostly on Amazon, what I noticed, they focus more on books. So that's why they became very powerful. I don't know. Starting on this, I don't know. They started this business as Amazon.com, selling books, and then they started selling other items. But yeah, I'm gonna show. This is a course that I have from Diego Davila. How to sell a lot of products on Amazon, and I'm testing it, and it's awesome. There's fees involved, and it's not free. If you want to try something free online, it might work, it might not work, but it's gonna take you a lot of time to make money. If you wanna make money, invest. You gotta invest. This course is like 200 online to 300. I don't even recall. It's not even online. They took it out because he was selling a lot. It tells you sorry. It tells you every step on how to sell on Amazon. How to start, how to ship it, where to get the items, and it's awesome. If you don't like recruiting, this is for you. You can do it offline, part-time, full-time, whatever. I'm doing part-time, and it's awesome. It's working. I get a lot of books for cheap, like 25 cents, $1, $2, and they cost like $50 on Amazon. It's all profit. Just you gotta be a FBA. FBA is this fulfillment. I don't even recall what the hell fulfillment. Amazon something. I don't remember. But you gotta be a FBA member. You gotta pay like $40 a month to sell on Amazon. You gotta be like there's 2 different accounts on Amazon. If you wanna be a seller, on your own, independent. You it's free and everything. So you can send it to the buyer on your own, just so you can provide your own boxes and everything. It's a lot of work, a lot of fees and everything. But if you want to Amazon take care of everything, just pay $40, send it to Amazon. They will take care. They will ship it to a customer. They will put it on Prime. A lot of people right now on Prime on Amazon. 2 days shipping. I like that, to tell the truth, because if I need something, I will get it right away, free shipping, 2 days. So right now a lot of people are paying for that. Besides, you get a lot of movies if you got the Fire Stick, or right now there's a lot of things involved on Amazon right now. Amazon is controlling right now. That's why a lot of companies right now, corporate America, from Toys R Us, Macy's, Amazon killed them, to tell the truth. They killed them because, I don't know, they were more smarter than all the stores that being right here, local. They were not doing that. And Amazon was they started with books, to tell the truth. And then, that's what I heard from someone that has been doing this. And it's true, I already did my research, and they started with this, selling books. What a lot of people don't know. Books, they're very profitable. Very profitable. You can make a lot of money. You can get a lot of books in your local city for 25 cents and sell it on Amazon. A lot of people like reading, especially old people. They like reading. They don't get, like right now, there's a lot of Kindle and all, what's it called, those electronic books. But mostly the books, a lot of people like to read books, to tell you. That's what I'm seeing. A lot of people, if you go to the train, trolley, everybody's having the books, reading. Like reading the newspaper. But yeah, this course tells everything from A to Z. How to start, how to finish. I'm still on the chapter on the last ones, because I already saw all the courses, and they were awesome. This is the second course that I have seen, and you get more ideas that I think a lot of people were trying this before, but they were struggling on where to get the books for 25 cents for cheap, so they can make a profit. Books that worth a lot of money, so that's why a lot of people quit, because you gotta know the tricks too. It's like everything right here online. You gotta know some tricks and everything, like where to find them for cheap. But this course tells you everything. That's what I like. There's an investment, but not a lot of money involved to invest. To tell the truth, like maybe a couple hundred, 100 or 200. Besides buying the books, if you wanna buy a lot of books, let's say you invested buying books 200, and those books cost you 25 cents or $1. If you'll make a profit at least a month out of 200 books, at least maybe 5K or 3K. In between 3K or 5K, you will make a month. But you gotta hustle. You gotta look for books and buy them for 25 cents. That's nothing. $1. You buy that on a coffee in Starbucks, like $5. If you sell it on Amazon, you get There's other things that people don't know. I didn't know about this. My business partner told me about this, and he sent me his screenshots and everything, and I was surprised. I said, "What the hell? This is good for people that don't like recruiting." I know a lot of people don't like recruiting, to tell the truth. I've been involved in this game, and it's kind of harsh, because sometimes you get to talk with people the whole day, and sometimes say, "Hey, I will join you next week," or whatever. Okay, I'm used to that. And they always saying the same old story. So this works for people that are willing to hustle offline, go to libraries, garage sales, Craigslist, search on Craigslist if you want to search for books for cheap, estates, what else? Yeah, there's a lot of ways you can get a lot of free books or cheap books for cheap. 25 the lowest, $2 the highest, like Goodwill. There's a lot of good books on Goodwill, but you just gotta scan them. With this, like I have this one, I bought it on eBay. The scanner. It cost me $50, but this one, it was an auction, the one that I got. So you can scan the books very fast when you go to a library sale. Just scan it, and these scanners, you can download an app from Amazon, and they will tell you at Amazon how much are they selling as a used book, how much the profit is, how much is the shipping and everything. That's something more advanced. When you guys join my team, I will teach you. But yeah, this scanner works awesome. Just gotta scan the books. If you want to do it more faster, but you can scan with your cell phone. The app has a scanner, and you can scan it by clicking, but it takes a little bit more time. This is more faster. Like when you go to the grocery stores, you scan it fast, all the food that you buy. But you can do it with your own cell phone, scan it. But it takes a little bit more seconds, or I don't know, if you don't know how to use it, it takes more time. Scanning the barcode codes on the books. That's what I'm saying. But how you can find books? Just go to this website. Like me, I'm from California. Just go right here, California. And then I'm from San Diego. Just click right here and it tells me all the book sales. There are my local city, the addresses, what time, how much are the books. What I suggest, if you want to buy books motivational, self-motivated, how to, if you want to learn something, how to, don't buy fiction books, children books, only if they're like from school. But hardcovers, like from college, they are worth a lot of money. I don't know, I haven't got one of those, but since I'm starting, I'm testing. I like to test, to tell the truth. I've been doing this for a couple, maybe 2 weeks, or 1 week and a half. But yeah, if you find one of those, they cost a lot of money. And right here they have the libraries, the dates, and everything. Like, what's today? Tomorrow they have this one, and this location, this library. There's a lot of libraries that people like. They just don't donate it. They just give it to the library for donation, and that's it. They get rid of the books, and they're moving to another state or something. They don't want to get. They just get it for free, and the library gives them. They sell it for $1, 50 cents, $2, whatever. So it's awesome. There's something for people that don't like recruiting. That's why I'm making this video. People that don't like recruiting. I know I feel your pain because it takes time to recruit people, and it takes more time to drive traffic to sites. So that's what I'm noticing for a lot of people. Driving traffic and recruiting is the most struggling things online right now. If you want to make money on autopilot. So engagement too. I've been engaging with a lot of people, and sometimes they don't take action, or I don't know, they say something that they don't convince me that, hey, this I'm gonna join this, and I'm gonna join you this, and they're gonna join another program. After I join another program, I'm gonna join with you. sometimes that's why I'm not a lot on Facebook, because sometimes there's a lot of tired kiddos that just talk. But yeah, this I'm making this video so you guys can get an idea. If you don't like being on Facebook all day, just hustle. Go to a libraries, garage sales, check on Craigslist. Type on Craigslist, like let me show you. San Diego, Craigslist. And just type right here, books. You'll find some cheap books right here, like this one. Maybe the word. Oh, it's a Wikipedia. I don't know. They will work. Maybe you can sell them 150 on Amazon. But yeah, just search right here in Craigslist. Put books for free. Yeah, you just gotta search, or right here on Google. Like right here, type Goodwill outlet in San Diego. Goodwill outlet means that Goodwill is out of they have a lot of products, sending them to them, and they want to get rid of all the products that they have for a long time in the store. So you gotta check for the outlets. The outlets is that means that you want to give for free. Like right here, I'm from San Diego. This is the one. I will go and write this one, Goodwill Bookstore and Donation Center. I will go to this too. Why? Because right here they want to give for free, almost for free. They have even an electronic store. They will sell. They'll give you the laptops and computers for $100. They work on Amazon like $400, $300. So that's a profit. The trick that you gotta know on Amazon that a lot of people don't know is that you gotta know if they're selling fast. You can make a profit, but if it's gonna take you a month, 2 months, 3 months, it's not even, I don't know, for me it's not even worth it. That's why you gotta download the app and it tells you the sales rank, if they selling fast. If it's not selling fast, don't even buy it. That's a trick that nobody knows. They think, oh, it's a profit with the app. And it takes them like 6 months to sell the product. So it's like, no, you gotta know those tricks too. There's a lot of tricks about on this business on selling books. Well, a lot of people don't tell you. But yes, I'm gonna, people, if you want for free this course to start, later I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing, the more advanced shit that I'm doing. Buy this one. Buy for me the Facebook script. It's only cost $50, and I'll give you a lot of bonuses. This one, I'll give you this one for free. And let me know. Just tell me you want more information about selling on Amazon, and I will tell you the other tricks that I know on selling on Amazon. I was gonna show you my stance on Amazon, but it's gonna take me. This video is gonna be long, so I always try to make it the shortest possible. But yeah, like always, email me, text me, or send me a private message on my Facebook. Alright? Cool. Peace. Take care.